KB5085516, the Windows 11 fix you may need, but don't panic. Has Windows 11 suddenly made your Microsoft apps act like the internet fell off a cliff? Even though your browser is working just fine, then this update may be for you. Your internet connection is completely fine. Your Microsoft apps just can't see it. The internet didn't disappear. Microsoft just had a little brain hiccup. Is your internet broken, or are your apps confused? Check your browser first. If you can read the news online, your Wi-Fi is working fine. Everyday web traffic flows normally. The March Windows update accidentally deployed a confused traffic cop. Apps like OneDrive and Teams free are stopped at the gate, falsely believing the road is closed. What exactly is KB5085516? Normal updates, like a scheduled yearly furnace inspection, routine, expected, and bundled together. Out-of-band update, like KB5085516, like calling an emergency plumber at 2 a.m. Microsoft released this outside the normal schedule because a specific pipe was leaking and needed fixing immediately. Not everyone needs to treat this like a 5-alarm fire. If you aren't on version 24H2 or 25H2, or if your system is working normally right now, you can sit back and relax. Do you actually need the medicine? Relax, you don't need it if you are running Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2. Action is required if you installed the recent March updates, or your Microsoft apps are refusing to sign in while your browser works fine. Then action is required. Install patch KB5085516. But how do I download the patch if my apps say I'm offline? Because the core internet connection still works. The browser lane, the Windows Update system, can still reach Microsoft's servers to get the fix. Open your Start menu and click Settings. Click Windows Update on the left side. Click Check for Updates and look for KB5085516 and click Download and Install. In the rare event normal updating fails, there are manual ways to install the patch, but Windows updates should bypass the confused apps. It did for me. My golden rule for tech panics: do not confuse a targeted patch with a universal crisis. Know your version. Not every update applies to every PC. Know your symptoms. Compare what is broken versus what works. Verify before you apply. Install the fix only if it applies to you. Smart users verify before they worry. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.